An array is a collection of elements. In Kotlin, an array can store multiple values of same or different data types. Array index starts from 0. An array in Kotlin can be created using the array of function. Array elements can be accessed using their index. You can also iterate over an array and print its elements, or you can use content-to-string function to print an array. You can make changes in array elements. It means you can put a new value at an index where already there's a value. In Kotlin, arrays created using the array of function are immutable by default, meaning the size of the array cannot be changed after creation, and you cannot add or remove elements from it. In Kotlin, you can take array input by reading a string of elements separated by spaces or other delimiters and then splitting it, and converting it into an array of the desired type. Here the map function is used to transform each string element of the elements list into an int. Here, it represents each element in the list. The toInt function converts each string element to an int. The result is the array of the integers. The safe call operator is used before toTyped array. This operator ensures that the operation toTyped array is performed only if the preceding value is not null. It converts the list of integers into a nullable array of integers. Another way to take array input in Kotlin is by using a loop to sequentially read elements and store them in an array. Here we are taking the number of elements from the user and declaring an array of type any, which means the array can store elements of any data type, using the array constructor with the size. An array size is equal to the number of elements it has. Then using a loop, we are asking the user to input each element one by one and storing them in the array. As we learned, arrays are immutable, which means we cannot add or remove an element from an array. We cannot add another element to an array beyond its size when the array size is fixed. Also, taking array input in Kotlin is not an easygoing thing. We have a solution for this in Kotlin. ArrayList. In Kotlin, an ArrayList is a resizable collection that can dynamically grow or shrink in size. It represents a list of elements where you can add, remove, or modify elements easily. It's part of the Kotlin collections package and provides functionalities to perform various operations like adding elements, accessing elements by index, removing elements, and more. ArrayList allows you to store elements of the same or different types and is commonly used when you need a flexible, ordered collection in your Kotlin code.